How to turn off stories sharing option on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off stories sharing option on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, stories. Click on it and then just click sharing options and then click here, and now just click don't allow, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.